Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
You're fine? Okay.
Yes.
So, I'm Achil. I'll be taking your today's session, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, now, do you know, have you heard about mensuration?
No.
No. Okay, have you heard about different kind of shapes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, can you tell me what all different type of shapes you are aware about?
A square, triangle, rectangle, pentagon,
Okay,
circle.
very good. Very good. You are aware about a lot of shapes. Okay. Now, how many sides does a square have?
Square four.
Four. And rectangle?
Four.
Four. Square also has four sides, rectangle also has four sides. So what's the difference between them?
The difference. mm,
How do we identify that it's a square or a rectangle?
A square has four equal sides. For rectangle, two sides are equal.
Okay, very good. In rectangle, two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal?
Opposite of.
Opposite two sides are equal, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. And how many sides does a triangle have?
Triangle three.
Three. Very good. Okay. Do you know what perimeter is?
Yes.
What is perimeter?
Perimeter means uh
Okay. If you
addition
know
of
what,
all sides.
sorry,
Addition of all sides.
addition of all sides. Okay, that is perimeter. And do you know what area is?
No.
No, you don't know what area is? Okay. Okay. Can you see the figure that I am drawing?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If I need to calculate the perimeter, what I need to calculate the perimeter of this figure?
Add centimeter.
Sorry,
Add s- uh, centimeter to all sides.
the length of the side, right?
Length.
Length.
Yes.
Okay. If this is 4, this is 3. This is 4, this is 3. So can you tell me the perimeter for this?
14.
No. How it's 40? For 14 you said?
14. 14. Yes.
Okay, yeah, it's 14. Very good. Okay. Now let's talk about area. So basically, beta, the area is can you see there is some space inside the shape?
Yes.
Yes. This space is known as the area. Okay. So, what is the
Yes.
area? The space inside the shape. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, now, okay. Okay. So, do you know how? Okay, you don't know. So, as you know that in square, all the sides are equal.
Yes.
Yes. So, this is a square where all sides are equal. So if I need to calculate the perimeter, how will I calculate the perimeter? If this is
Uh,
2, perimeter will be
2.
this, the side is 2 na, so perimeter is
Perimeter will be 8 centimeter.
8. Very good. The perimeter is 8. Now, what about the area? How do we calculate the area? Beta, what is area? The space inside the figure is area?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you calculate the area in square? You, okay, do you know this is the horizontal side or this is the vertical side?
Vertical.
This is the vertical side and this is the horizontal side.
Yes.
Yes. So to calculate the area, we multiply vertical side with horizontal side. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. So now can you tell me the area for this? What will be the area for this square?
The square.
Sorry. The area will be
4.
4. Very good. Because this is also 2. This is also 2. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now let's talk about rectangle. See? This is the rectangle. This is how a rectangle looks like.
Yes.
Yes. If this is 4, this is 3. How much will be this side?
12.
No, I am asking how much will be this side.
Which
This side, this.
is 4.
4. And this side will be
3.
this side
3.
3. So now can you tell me the perimeter? What will be the perimeter?
14.
14. Very
14.
good. And what will be the area?
12.
12. Okay. How did you get 12? You multiplied 4 by 3.
Yes.
So if I ask you to tell me the formula for the area of a rectangle, can you tell me? Beta, what is this? This side is known as the length and this side is known as the breadth. Yes. So the area for the rectangle is L times B, length times breadth.
Yes.
Yes. And what similarly, what will be the area for the perimeter? What will be the formula for the perimeter?
B breadth breadth plus length, breadth plus length plus breadth plus length.
Right. So can I write L plus B plus L plus B?
Yes.
Yes. Can I simplify it further?
Yes.
How?
L multiplied by 2 plus B multiplied by 2.
2L plus 2B, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now let's talk about triangle. This is how a triangle looks like.
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me the formula for the perimeter of a triangle? If this side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. So area will be, perimeter will be?
A plus B plus C.
Very good. A plus B plus C. Let's talk about area. Okay. Do I have any vertical side in this?
No.
No. So that means I need to make the vertical side to calculate the area?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay, then how will I calculate the area?
No, don't know.
See, when I calculated area for square, I had the vertical side and the horizontal side. Then I calculated the area by multiplying them. Yes. Similarly in the rectangle.
Yes.
Yes. So for triangle also I need the vertical side.
Yes.
Yes. How will I get the vertical side? I can make this as the vertical side.
Yes.
Yes. If this is the vertical side, beta, according to you, what it should be? What it should be? What it should be?
Don't
It
know.
should be. What should I call this side?
Don't know.
Can I call it at the height of the rectangle?
Yes.
See.
Yes.
Okay. See, this is the rectangle, triangle I have.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And okay. And if I join this point with the this point, I can join it like this.
Yes.
Yes. So when I join it like this, what this line will tell me?
Height of the
Height of
rectangle.
the triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
Sorry.
Triangle. Height of the triangle.
Height of the triangle.
Yes.
Yes. So can I represent height by h?
Yes.
Yes. Now what is this? Is this is the base of the triangle? This side?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the base. So it now, according to the formula, according to the concept that we were using before, I can say that the area is h times b.
Yes.
Yes. But now can you see that when I am making the height, I am dividing the triangle into two parts, no?
Yes.
Yes. So to avoid that, I multiplied this whole by half. So
Okay.
this becomes half times base times height. Did you get it?
Yes.
See, when I made the height, I made the triangle into two different parts. I got the two triangles. See, this is the first triangle and this is the other triangle.
Yes.
Yes. So when I am doing h into b, I am calculating the h two times and b two times.
Yes.
See, this is the one triangle and this is the second triangle. If I, okay, look here. This is what I'll get when I cut triangle into two halves.
Two triangles.
Two triangles I'll get.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So if I want to find the area, beta, this is h times b. This is again h times b. Yes. If I need to calculate the area of this triangle, I'll do h times b, no? I can't hear you.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And similarly for this triangle, h times b, h times b.
Yes.
Yes. So now you can take, okay, now these two triangles are from the one triangle only. When I
Yes.
join these two triangle, I'll get this triangle back, one big triangle.
Yes.
Yes. So see, the area for this will be HB, and similarly the area for this will be HB.
Yes.
When I add these two, I'll get 2 HB, na?
Yes.
Yes. But what, I only had one triangle in the beginning.
Yes.
Yes. So to remove this 2, I divide it whole by 2 because I had only one triangle, no?
Yes.
Yes. So now can you tell me the area of the triangle? Half times base times height. What is the area of triangle? Half times
Mm.
Vallabh, repeat after me, beta. Half times base times height.
Half times base times height.
Yes. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Let's practice few questions. You'll understand better. Okay. Okay. Can you see the question?
Yes.
What? Read the question.
Find the area of the following shaded figures. Here, each small square represents 1 square centimeter.
Okay. So now can you see the figure?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me the area for this?
Area
Hmm.
8.
Huh?
8.
8.
8.
How did you get 8?
I multiply 4 square centimeter by 4.
So 4 times 4 is 8. Think again.
16.
16. So the area will be 16 centimeter square. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now let's try another one. Can you see this figure?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me the area for this one.
40 centimeter.
How it's 14?
40.
How it's 40?
I multiply 7 by 5.
7 times 5 is not 40.
45. No,
No,
45
it's
not.
not 45. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are
14,
14. 7 threes are
21,
7 fours are
28,
7 fives are
30,
5.
35,
Right? So 7 times 5 is
35.
35. Very good. Okay, let's try one more. You forget tables?
No.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a triangle.
Yes.
What is the area of a triangle? First, tell me the formula. We did know be class के starting में.
H plus B plus L.
H times B times half. Area of a triangle is half times base times height. Speak after me. Half times
Half times
base times
base times
height.
height.
So the area of a triangle is half times base times height. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you noting it down somewhere?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now, can you tell me in this triangle what side will be the base of the triangle?
Base.
In this triangle, what side will be the base of the triangle?
Upper side.
The upper side. So, this side is the base.
Yes.
And what will be the height?
Height. This middle line.
This will be the height.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what is base. How many squares are there in the base?
9.
9. And what about height?
4.5.
4.5 ko can I write 4.5
Yes.
multiplied by 1 by 2? Now can you tell me the answer for this?
Yes.
Do you know how to multiply 4.5 by 9?
No.
No. Okay. Can you multiply 45 with 9?
Yes.
Multiply and tell me the answer.
Okay. 405.
405. Okay. Now can you tell me in this number after how many digits I have decimal? After how many digits I have decimal?
1 digit.
1. So I'll place the decimal after 1 digit here also. So 9 times 4.5 is 40 times 40.5. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you multiply this for me? Multiply 2.3 times 4. Tell me what will be the answer for this.
Okay. 92. 9.2.
9.2. Very good. Okay. Let me increase a level. If I have 2.3 times 2.1,
2.3 times
2.1,
2.2. Okay.
2.1. 21 का 1 कर दीजिए. 6.
48.3.
okay, you have 483. Okay, now I have decimal after one digit in this and after one digit in this.
Yes.
So, how total after in total, how many digits I have after the decimal? In total, see, this is the one digit and this is the other one.
Yes.
Yes, so in
2
total,
dot.
how many digits? 2.
Yes.
So I'll put the decimal after 2 digits. So the answer will be 4.83.
83.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, let's try one more. If I have 7.5 plus, times 1.1, multiply this.
What?
7.5 times 1.1.
7.5 times 1.1. Okay. 8.25.
Very good. 8.25. Very good. Okay, let's try next one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, can you see the question?
Yes.
Okay, what you have to do?
Uh, write the missing
What
number.
else?
Write the missing number in the following table.
Yes. Tell me what number will be this? What will be the perimeter if length and breadth is given?
Rectangle of 20. अरे असं लेंथ आणि ब्रेड 10 लेंथ
What
किती
is the
3
formula for the rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle?
ऍडिशन
Mm, 25.
चारी बाजूची
Sorry?
मोजायची ना
25.
नाही इथे पण 15 लिही इथे 10 लिही ऍडिशन
50.
50. Very good. What formula did you use? Tell me the formula.
Addition. Adding all numbers.
Adding all the numbers. Very good. Okay.
2,
Now, speak. Yes,
two,
yes.
2 into length
प्लस
plus 2 into breadth.
Okay. Now, can you find if length is given, perimeter is given? Can you find the breadth?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Calculate.
फॉर्म्युला द्यायचा आता 120 दिलेलं फॉर्म्युला द्यायचा फॉर्म्युला दे फॉर्म्युला मायनस करायला 120 मायनस बरोबर ना डिवाइड बाय 2 ऍडिशन ऍडिशन कशाला केलीस परत नाही येत आहे, सांग ना, नाही येत.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Don't
Okay. Can I write what is length? Can you tell me what length is given as?
21.
So can I write 2 times 21 plus 2 times b? Breadth I need to calculate is equals to 120.
बरोबर
Yes.
Yes. Now what will I do? I multiply 2 and 21 together.
Yes.
Multiply 2 times 21 and tell me the answer.
2 times 20. 42.
Right. So 42 plus 2b is equals to 120. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if I need to calculate b, I need to take all the numbers on the one side.
Yes.
Yes. So when I shift 42 to the other side, I'll do when I shift this 42 to the other side, what I'll do? I'll subtract, add. What I'll do?
Subtract.
Subtract. So this becomes 2b is equals to 120 minus 42.
Yes.
What is 120 minus 42?
68.
No, it's not 68.
दादा 300 काय बघायचं हे बघ ना किती बघ ना 11 - 4 कर ना
78.
78. Very good. Now, in next step, I need to shift this B to the other side.
Yes.
So how do I shift this 2? When I shift it to the other side, I'll multiply, divide, add or subtract.
Mm,
Here it's multiplying with B.
2
yeah.
multiply by b
So when I shift it to the other side, I'll divide.
Divide.
Very good.
Yes.
Divide 78 by 2 and tell me the answer.
Okay. $39.
39. So the breadth is 39. Did you get it? How we'll solve this kind of question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Try next one. Try this one.
Okay.
Tell me the length.
terminate terminate well b काय दिलं तुम्ही ब्रेडच्या जागी लिहि तिथे 2l मल्टिप्लाय ब्रेड किती होत गेला 2 multiply by 20 असं होणार 2 आहे ना हे 2 multiply by ब्रेड किती तुझे
Vallabh, are you able to calculate?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, take your time and tell me the answer.
Okay. Answer is 30.
Very good. So answer is 30. Very good. Okay. So Vallabh, for today we'll keep it till here only. Can you tell me what you learned in today's class?
Perimeter, breadth, and area. No,
Perimeter,
perimeter,
perimeter and area. Can you tell me the difference between perimeter and area?
perimeter means to uh, adding all
Hmm.
adding all sides.
And what is area?
Area means length multiply by breadth.
No, no, that's so the formula na, for the rectangle. If you have to explain someone ki what is area, how will you tell ki what do you mean by area? What do you mean by the term area? Okay, when you do L times length times breadth, what do you calculate?
L times
See, Vallabh, beta, area is nothing but the space inside the shape. What is area?
space and space
inside.
inside the shape.
Right. Area is space inside this shape. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed the today's class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.